There we go. She wasn't kidding when she said those were lightweight. They're like really, really light. Little foam pieces?
Hi, Jennifer.
Oh.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Hello.
All right. So, with that said, let's go ahead and your legs again.
Oh my gosh, did you just get it? Nice. Alright, there we go.
Here you go. Here you go. Scoot your bottom back. Is that all? Okay. That's all. Okay.
Awesome. That's got a couple on there now.
So, we'll start with sitting. You've been doing some walking and then we're going to stand. Okay, so